In today's video, I'm going to give you all a run through of my total premium that I've earned last month, and we'll jump into my spreadsheet shortly and we'll have a look at that. And because it was the 21st of April yesterday, today's the 22nd, I actually rolled a couple of my positions yesterday, which is the first time I've ever rolled any of my options. And I definitely think I'll be doing it again from now on. But first of all, I think we'll just have a look at my total portfolio. So this portfolio, if you're new to the channel, I focus on my wheel strategy, which is buying and selling cash kill puts and cover calls. So if you could do me a big favor and like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet, that would be awesome. So here we go, my portfolio currently stands at $6,650. On the last day, I was down $12 over the week, down 0.5%. The month up just over 0.5%. 3 months up a whopping $7.95. Year to date, just over 1%, and all time just up 1.2%. So I got my options here on the side. So these are the two that I rolled, and we'll jump into them shortly. It was a Nerd wallet. So I have a cash secure put on Nerd wallet. I don't actually own the stock yet. I just have the collateral to buy 100 shares and Sweet Green. And I did a cover call on that because I own the stock. I own 300 shares, so I can run 3 contracts on that stock. The other stocks I've got is with the premium I earned from rolling those, I bought myself another 100 shares of Traeger. So I'm currently sitting on 500 shares of Traeger. It's not doing too well right now. It's down to $3.25. And one thing I've learned after doing this wheel strategy for a month is never just jump in and try and get premium as soon as you get money in the bank. Like, just wait for that stock to go up. And because I've had Traeger in my portfolio now for, I think, pretty much near the start, I know that I can get a good premium of around $30 if it hits up towards $4, which is where I will probably run a strike on Traeger this month. I've got 300 shares of Sweet Green for an average cost of $6.99. So I sell cover calls on that for $7.50. I have 100 shares of ChargePoint. My average cost on ChargePoint is about $10.30, so it's taken a bit of a hit right now. I'm in a position now where I run, if I could try and get another, say, $890, do I try and average cost and bring my average cost down, or do I just wait until it goes back up? I have 100 shares of Clean Energy Fuels. My average cost on that is $5. It's currently $4.20, and I think if I was to try and do a cover call today, I might get $8 in premium. So I'm going to hold off on that and wait a little longer. So we'll jump into the Nerd wallet option I've currently got. So yesterday at around 4:05 in the afternoon, I had a look at the Robinhood account, and I had initially a cash secure put for Nerd wallet for $15 a share. I was paid $100 to do so, and it crept up to about $15.02 yesterday. So I rolled the position, and you can see here that I rolled the position for what are we looking at? So the contract was $143. In order for me to close the contract itself, I had to pay $22, which is fine. So I came out of it with around $121. As you can just see there, total credit. So I made $121 on a position that I don't actually own the stock. I just have the collateral to buy the stock in the first place. And ever since doing this, first of all, I made $100 in premium. Now I've made $121. So I've made $221 on $1,500 of collateral, which is pretty sweet. I'll tell you what is sweet is my Sweet Green position. I had this, I had 300 shares of Sweet Green, and I had a expiration coming up yesterday for $7.50. It crept up to about $7 and what was it, maybe $7.37 I think it was. But as you can see here, I filed for another 3 contracts at 65 cents a share, so $65 per contract, so $195. I had to pay $5 per contract to sell. So I effectively walked away with a total credit there of $180. So just by rolling my 2 positions, that's Sweetgreen and NerdWallet, I bagged myself $301 in premium. So for last month, we'll see that I closed out the month with a total premium of $370 there. That was 5.4% of my return on investment. I didn't actually sell any of my positions, so I made no capital appreciation on any of my trades. But the total return there, again, so 370, 5.4%. So new months, new rows. NerdWallet, I started them both yesterday. They both have expiration dates of the 19th of May. And cash secure put on NerdWallet, cover call on Sweetgreen. My cost basis on Sweetgreen is $6.99. My cost basis on NerdWallet, I've just blanked that out because effectively I don't actually own the stock yet. But my strike price for NerdWallet is $15, and my strike price for Sweetgreen is $7.50. Right, yeah, $7.50. So either way, the premium is there. So I made $301 on my collateral with just these trades. I made $8% on 8% on NerdWallet and 9% on Sweetgreen, but it's a lot more than that because one, if you see up here, my NerdWallet premium, I made $100 and that was 6.66%. Sweetgreen, I had 3 different trades previously, but I've just gone all in on one strike this month, $7.50. So I'm way above 9 and 8% there. If the Sweetgreen hits, I make another $153 in capital appreciation. But again, I think I might try and roll it. Now I have an idea of how to roll, what it involves, which a lot of people say don't really get into options trading without knowing how to roll out of the position. I can kind of see it, but with the whole wheel strategy, you're never really afraid of assignment. But yesterday, when I was sat there and I was like, oh God, that's a decent chunk of change I could make right now, I just went ahead and did it. So the capital appreciation I could make on Sweetgreen is $153. Because my cost basis is $6.99 a share, and I will strike and sell at $7.50. So with the potential capital appreciation there and the premium I made, I could walk away this month with $333 on just Sweetgreen, which could give me a potential return of 16%. So those are my trades so far. I'm going to hold off on rolling my Traeger positions, my charge point position, and my clean energy position. So effectively 1 contract, 2 contracts. So I got 7 contracts that I can still roll this month, or still log in. So they're going to all be cash cover calls because I own the stock. So effectively, I think this month I could probably try and push it up to, if I'm $301 right now, I think I could probably try and hit $400 in premium, which compared to last month at $370 is a decent return on investment. And I might try and add a bit more to the account as well this month. But if we jump into back into portfolio, this is my next trade. If I can get out of all my positions and then end up with about $10,000 in my account, I'm going to load it into Amazon. The premiums on Amazon trades, which you can do weekly, are incredible. Like even if we just jump into the the seller put. So the expiration there is on the 28th of April, so 6 days away. And even say we just had a straight $10,000 collateral in our account to run a cover call. In 6 days, as you can see here, you could make $119 in effectively a week. So you could be running $500 every month on just potentially buying, because it's a cash secure put, 100 shares of Amazon. So that's where I want to get to at one point. I think when I started the portfolio, I did dive a little bit into cheapy stocks, but the premiums were really good. But I think when I get to the point of actually being able to have all the collateral available, I will jump into something like Amazon and start doing weeklies on them, and then eventually push that up to SPY and run cash secure puts and cover calls on the S&P 500. So that's it. That's my the spreadsheet, my total transparency of my portfolio. Hopefully somebody's going to look at this and start doing it themselves, because this is a ridiculously easy way of making money. I'm still shocked. I still get excited every time I place my trades. I get really excited when I see that premium go straight into my account. And so yeah, if you found any value from this video, please just do me a big favor, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you on my next upload, which I think I will be placing my Traeger positions, hopefully if the stock goes up. So have a good one, and I'll see you soon.